Right about here. Right about now, Funk Soul Brother. Right about now, Funk Soul Brothers. G'day ladies and germs, Conor here from C-Dubs Media, back with another video, and today we're doing my full review of the EZVIZ Elife security camera. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's get stuck into the video. Now before I get started, guys and girls, fellas and Sheilas, links down below to this security camera if you do want to pick one up. Alright everyone, so EZVIZ has been around for a little while now. They're not the most known on the market, but they've certainly been around long enough to start making a bit of an impact. And some of the security cameras are getting better and better, especially with this Elife camera. I really dig it. And I'm going to go through a few reasons why I really dig it, and a few reasons why it's actually one of my favorite security cameras now, pushing the others out of the way, maybe some of the other brands, and sort of making some inroads. And so I have been testing this for 2 weeks, and after my initial testing period, I must say it's hard to fault. There's some little picky areas, but for the most part, it's pretty damn good. Now, it is a battery-powered security camera. I have it mounted at my front door. You could mount it anywhere. It could be indoors, it could be outdoors, but it is IPX7 rated for water resistance. This is water resistant for up to 1 meter. I can't remember for how long. Splish, splash, whatever. It's going to be fine outdoors as a security camera. Let me get into some specs on the Elife security camera. 1080p video. It could be 4K, but 1080p is fine. Even 720p is fine for a security camera, but I do like the 1080p. You get a good image here. You can see these images. I'm going to play lots of images as I'm talking about this because I've had it triggered a lot. With delivery drivers lately, we're in a bit of a P word. You know, we sort of can't go out as much. We've got to wear masks and stuff. So I'm ordering a lot online and getting a lot of deliveries. So one of the settings I changed is quite funny. 210 days of battery life per charge. That is awesome. It's probably competitive with others, but I really dig that. 32 gigabytes of built-in storage. This is one of the areas I'm really stoked because I got a lot of security cameras around the house and none of them have onboard storage. Now I know that there are others in the market that have it. And for me, it's definitely like it's a bonus. Having that onboard storage, not having to buy any more memory cards is a win-win. Now I did just buy a pack of 16 memory cards. Links down below if you do need memory cards for your security cameras. But if you're picking up the Elife, you don't need it. It does have color night vision as well, so you can see at night in color to help identify anything that might give away a crim. Those freaking crims. And another one I do like is human shape detection. Now I do have a security camera at the front and the back and the patio. I've got them everywhere. And the ones that annoy me are the ones that don't do human shape detection. So with this Elife one from EZVIZ, it doesn't go off every time a moth flies near it or every time something small flies past it. It has human shape detection. So it goes off when there's a human at the door. And I must say it's pretty consistent. I don't remember a time going, how come that delivery driver didn't show up on the door, or how come my daughter didn't show up on the door? Every time someone goes to the door, it goes off. For the other one on the patio, which is not Elife, it goes off all the time. Whether it's me or a moth or a fly or a wasp, it just gets triggered because it doesn't have human shape detection. High fidelity two-way talking audio, which is great. I love being able to say, yep, just leave the package at the door. I'll be out in a minute.
Behave yourself, mate.
Sorry?
Behave yourself, mate. Behave yourself.
It's pretty cool. Or you could say to someone, hey, I can't get to the door. Can you go around the side? And this is also compatible with Apple and Android, and it does have lights in it that can be triggered as well, just to let the person know who's in your area that they are being watched. And probably the most important spec is that it costs $200. Now, also important, in the box, you get the camera, you get a charger, you get a charging cable, you get a wall mount, and you also get a fixed position wall mount or a ball joint wall mount so you can move it around. I went with the fixed position. That's what I need for my place, but they give you the option, which is pretty cool. And as I said, you also get the mounting plate and screws. And installing it was really easy. You set up your EZVIZ account online through the app. Once you have that done, you then scan the QR code on the bottom of the camera, and it literally walks you through the steps of how to set it up. It is pretty hard to get this wrong. Now, going to some major selling points for me. Already mentioned, but 32 gigabytes of built-in storage is amazing. Like I said, I just bought a 16 pack of small memory cards to go and put in all my security cameras. And then I get this one from EZVIZ, and it doesn't need a memory card. How good is that? They should all be made like this now. There should be no reason for any security camera to need a memory card. The standard has been set. Now, another custom feature that I really dig is being able to set trigger alerts. So if someone walks in front of the camera, you can have a loud alarm go off, you can have a soft alarm go off, or you can configure it to your needs, or you can have your own recorded voice message go off if someone triggers the camera. So what did I do? I could not help myself. I recorded my voice saying, "Behave yourself, mate."
Behave yourself, mate. Behave yourself, mate.
So every time a delivery driver rocks up, the camera says,
Behave yourself, mate.
and literally there was one today who was looking around, he was trying to figure out where I was because it didn't sound like it was coming from the speaker. It actually sounded like someone was saying it. And this guy was so confused. He put the packages down nice and neatly and walked off, which is better than this mug throwing the package down on the ground because he knew he wasn't being watched on the camera, or thought he wasn't. It's good to have these little reminders. I also had the beep, but it was very high pitched. It was a little bit annoying, and people wouldn't necessarily know they were on camera because of that beep. Righto, next important point. TP-Link, you're gonna have to forgive me here because the EZVIZ Elife security camera is right next to the TP-Link one out the front. The Elife from EZVIZ is better. Why is it better? Because when I check it on my phone, the image loads automatically. There's no delay between me getting a notification and being able to open the image, or me opening the app and checking in live view. It just opens straight away and I can see instantly what's happening out in front of my house. Whereas with TP-Link, it actually has to load, and sometimes it can take like 30-40 seconds to load. The Elife, it loads instantly. I'm often out, but I can always see instantly through Elife who's at my door. Now, all the other features are awesome, and I'll put them up here as I'm talking and be able to see all the basic features that EZVIZ showcases. You'll definitely find other cameras on the market with less features that are more expensive. So, key features: onboard storage, human shape detection, custom alert, which is like, behave yourself, mate, and no lag on the video. All those make this so much more worth it than the others that I currently have in the house. EZVIZ Elife security camera, thank you. I'm going to be keeping this. It's going to be staying at the front door. I'm really happy to have it. In fact, I might even buy a couple more for myself. There we go, ladies and germs. Thank you for watching the video. And again, remember, links down below if you do want to pick one up. Support the channel. Use my link. Much appreciated. And I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.